Hi, M5695. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day.
Your name?
My name is Josie Francisco. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I'm, I have two children, one boy and one girl. I,
Ages?
I'm
Ages of your child?
18 years old and
And the other
11
one?
years old.
Okay, and your religion?
Roman Catholic,
Your highest educational attainment?
high school graduate.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia, tell me about your experience as a helper.
Um, Taking care of children,
Okay?
uh, taking care of baby,
Okay?
cleaning the house, um,
How old children do you take care?
10 years old.
10 years old. And the baby?
Newborn.
Okay. How old the newborn
2 years
is?
old.
How old the newborn is?
1 month.
1 month. Okay, and other household chores that you do?
Cleaning,
Okay.
washing,
Okay.
ironing.
Okay. Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby which is 1 month old, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby?
First, clean the hands, and second, wash the bottle, and sterilize,
Okay.
and then put the milk, and then water,
Okay.
and then shake, and then try test uh, good, and then give the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Um, Take temperature body, feed, feed baby,
Okay.
and then diaper with.
Okay, you will check the diaper. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, you also feed the baby and you also change the diaper because the diaper is wet. And the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do all the things. What will you do?
Calling my employer.
Okay, and what will you say to your employer?
Not stop crying.
Not stop crying. Who's does not stop crying?
Baby not stop crying.
Okay, you will talk to the employer
I
that
told employer.
that the baby doesn't stop to cry. Oh, that's the right thing you should do because maybe the employer know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right? Why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because the salary higher than in the Philippines.
Okay.
So give better to support or financial support to my family in the Philippines.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract, and
Okay.
I will and
So you will finish your contract, and if your employer wants you to extend your contract, it is okay to you to extend.
yes.
Okay. What will you do if there some visitors outside the house of your employer telling that they were visitors and asking you to go inside of of your employer's house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
First, calling employer,
Okay?
even to have a visitor.
Outside. And if your employer doesn't know or if your employer don't have any expected visitors that day, what will you do?
Calling the police.
Okay, you will call the police. And make sure that you do not open the door because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employers doesn't know, right?
And yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No. I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watch the YouTube,
Okay.
and then watch the employer, watch the cook.
You only watch your employer, you will not help them?
I help them.
Okay. You have to help them how do they prepare so that you can learn also. And also be honest with them that you don't know how to prepare Chinese food. You can ask them if they could teach you how to prepare so that you could learn, right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes.
How about taking care of pets? It is okay with you?
It's okay.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom, help them go to the hospital for checkups?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Um, it is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, it's okay.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
I want to learn speak Cantonese.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
My future employer, if you choose me, uh,
Please look to the camera. Okay.
if you choose me, I will do I will do my best, and
Okay.
I promise uh, household roles. I promise I follow household roles.
Okay.
That's all, and thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Josie. Thank you.
Thank you.